Today we will be doing lesson 3 industries. Industry is a place where goods are produced. Okay, look at the following pictures. What are they made from? This is paper, is made from bamboo. This bat is made from wood, and this dress is made out of cotton. Many commonly used things such as clothes, cosmetics, buses, cars, television, refrigerators, pens, and books are called manufactured or finished goods. Manufactured or finished goods means goods that are ready to be sold in the market. Okay, clothes, cosmetics, these are buses, cars are finished goods. Industries use machine, labor, power, and raw materials to manufacture finished goods. In industries, people use machines, and labor means people work, and power, electric, and raw materials to manufacture goods. Raw materials means materials required to make a product, a finished products. Examples: cotton is needed to make cloth. So cotton is the raw material for clothes. Wood is needed to make paper. Then wood is the raw material. Sugarcane is needed to make sugar. Steel, which is made from iron, is needed to make railway coaches. Thus, either agricultural products or minerals are needed to manufacture goods that we need. Industries play an important role in the development of the country. Yes, industry is very important for the development of the country because they provide jobs to people. In industry, people work, people get a job, and people get salary. So it is very important. They produce variety of goods. In industry, eh, industries produce clothes, cosmetics, buses, cars, televisions, okay, varieties of goods. Some of the goods are exported to foreign countries. Thus, industries earn a lot of wealth for a country and make it prosperous. Exported means sent out to other countries or sent out to other states. Goods are exported to foreign countries. After independence, India has made great progress in the industrial sector. There are three kinds of industry in India. Okay, three kinds of industries in India: cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industries. In cottage industries, a few skilled people produce small quantity of goods in their own homes. Weaving cloth, embroidery work, handicrafts, making shoes, shawls, blankets, and basket are some example of cottage industries. In cottage industries, people who are skilled, that means people who did not go for a professional training, who are gifted, work from their homes and do different kinds of handwork like weaving, embroidery. This is embroidery. Embroidered pashima shawl. This is done through knitting or handwork. Handicraft. Handicraft is making decorative objects by hand. These are done in a cottage industries. Weaving cloth is common in our place. People weave clothes and then sell it to the local people. The next one is small scale industry. More people are employed in small scale industries compared to cottage industries. They work in small factories, use limited machinery, and produce larger quantities of goods compared to cottage industries. Fans, shops, biscuits, electrical goods, and furniture are some goods made in small scale industries. Small scale in small scale industries people use limited machinery. They use machinery and they produce a large quantity of goods compared to cottage industry, and they also employed people. In these small scale industries, fans, shops, biscuits, electrical goods, and furnitures are produced. Large scale industries. A large number of workers are employed in large-scale industries. They use, they use huge machineries and large quantities of raw materials. Iron and steel plants, textile mills, automobiles, and shipbuilding industry are some example of large-scale industries. This is in these large-scale industries, they require a large number of worker, or they employ a large number of people, and they use different kinds of machines, huge machines, and they also require large quantities of raw materials. Large-scale industries produce locomotives like vehicles, iron and steel plants. In these iron and steel plants, they produce different kinds of vehicles, automobiles, textile mills. Textile is concerned with the design, production, and distribution of yarn cloth and clothing, and shipbuilding industries. These are examples of large-scale industries. An immense amount of money is required to set up these industries. So, these large-scale industries require a large amount of money to set up. The government of India has helped in the development of many industrial centers in our country. This is because better quality goods can be produced at a cheap rate in large-scale industries. Iron and steel industry. Major steel plants in India are located at Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Rourkela, Bhilai, Salem, and Vishakhapatnam. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, owned by the Government of India, manufactures electrical goods such as generators and transformers. It is headquartered at New Delhi. Iron and steel industry is a feeder industries, as the product from this industry is used as a raw materials in other industries. Iron and steel industry manufactures electrical goods such as generators and transformers, and their headquarters is at New Delhi. Now this map is a map showing heavy industries. Okay. Now this star, if you look at this star, you will see locomotive. Locomotive is a railway vehicle used for pulling trains. So locomotive you will find in Varanasi in UP. Then motor cars here in Mumbai, then in Chennai, and like this you can find the other. This may be showing heavy industries. Textile industries. The textile industry is one of the largest industry in India. Cotton, wool, silk, and synthetic man-made fiber producing industries are located in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Solapur, Surat, Delhi, Kanpur, Agra, Lucknow, Amritsar, Coimbatore, and Kolkata. Textile industry is one of the largest industry in India. Textile industry is concerned with the production and distribution of yarn, cloth, clothing, and the design. Okay, textile industry. Other industries. We have many other large-scale industry units manufacturing sugar, paper, electronic goods, chemicals, automobiles, tanks, jute, and fertilizers. Today, a large number of people are working in different kinds of industries. Many new industries are being set up in different parts of our country. India is a leading manufacturer of many products, and the following table lists some of the industries in India. Large-scale industry units manufactures sugar, paper, electronic goods, chemicals, automobiles, all this. Okay. Now people are working, there are lots of people working in different kinds of industries. If you go to big cities, you'll see these big industries where many people are employed there. Now here the table shows the industries in India. Railway engines. It is located at Chittaranjan. Shipbuilding at Kochi, Vishakhapatnam, and Mumbai. Aeroplanes, Bengaluru, Kanpur. Telephone, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. Motorcar, Chennai, Mumbai, Gurugram, Kolkata. Computer software, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. Cement, Dharmiapuram, Tamil Nadu, Allahabad. Oil refineries, Digboy, Vishakhapatnam.